Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Dahi onion sabji. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 large onions, 1 cup of plain yogurt, and a selection of common Indian spices. Thinly slice your onions to ensure they cook evenly and quickly. Make sure your yogurt is fresh and at room temperature to prevent it from curdling later in the cooking process. This simple preparation sets the stage for a flavorful dish. Now let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over a medium flame. Once hot, add your thinly sliced onions. Sauté them patiently until they become beautifully golden brown and tender. This step is crucial for developing a sweet base for our sabji. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until it releases its wonderful aroma. Be careful not to burn it. With the onions cooked, it's time to add our spices. Reduce the heat to low to prevent burning. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1½ teaspoons of coriander powder, and ½ teaspoon of red chili powder. Stir well to combine. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 cup of plain yogurt until it's completely smooth. Now, slowly add the whisked yogurt to the pan, stirring continuously to ensure it blends seamlessly without curdling. This creates the creamy base. Finally, let's bring it all together. Allow the sabji to simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it thickens to your desired consistency. The flavors will meld beautifully during this time. Once it's ready, turn off the heat and garnish generously with fresh chopped cilantro for a burst of color and freshness. Your delicious Dahi onion sabji is now complete. Serve it hot with your favorite roti, paratha, or steamed rice for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.